Welcome, dear subscribers and viewers, to the BongPhysikWanderlust YouTube channel. We're delighted to have you with us on this fascinating journey of exploration and discovery. For our new members, we extend a warm welcome, and we're excited to have you aboard. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't miss out on this adventure. Click that subscribe button, ring the bell icon, and prepare to embark on a voyage through time and space. Today, we're setting sail on a unique journey, one that takes us through the calendar year, marking the birthdays of some of the most influential scientists who have ever lived. From Stephen Hawking in January to Sir Isaac Newton in December, we'll be delving into the lives and contributions of these extraordinary individuals, celebrating their birthdays and exploring their unparalleled contributions to science and humanity. So buckle up, fellow wanderers, as we embark on this exciting adventure, starting with the remarkable Stephen Hawking. As we venture forth, remember each date, each scientist, and each discovery is a testament to the endless possibilities of human curiosity and ingenuity. Let's get started. Do you know when Albert Einstein was born? How about Sir Isaac Newton? Or perhaps you're curious about Marie Curie's birthday? Today we're explorers venturing through the pages of the calendar year, marking off the birthdays of some of the most influential scientists ever known. Our voyage sets sail on the 8th of January with a figure who hardly needs an introduction, Stephen Hawking. Before diving into his date of birth, let's delve into his story. Born in 1942 in Oxford, Stephen was recognized for his brilliance from a very young age. Hawking attended Oxford University for his undergraduate and later moved on to Cambridge University for his PhD, where he began his lifelong career as a theoretical physicist. Let's dive a little deeper now. As we animate a black hole on your screens, imagine Hawking's significant contributions to science. He reshaped of the universe with his groundbreaking work on black holes and relativity. As our animation swirls into the darkness of a black hole, think of Hawking, who dared to explore such enigmatic entities. Now, as we transition to the concept of relativity, a theory that redefined our understanding of space and time, homage to Hawking, who dedicated his life to untangling these cosmic mysteries. A man of inspiring resilience and tenacity, Stephen Hawking continued his research despite being diagnosed with a rare form of motor neuron disease at just 21, which progressively paralyzed him over decades. Even though his physical mobility was limited, his mind continued to soar, exploring the depths of the universe. Now, we journey back in time to the scene of February 19, 1473. We find ourselves on the day Nicolaus Copernicus was born. Born to a well-established merchant's family in the city of Turin, Poland, Copernicus was soon orphaned and raised by his uncle, a bishop, who ensured he received a quality education. Beginning at the University of Krakow, Copernicus became fascinated by astronomy, and this interest only deepened as he continued his studies in Italy at the University of Bologna. He later became a canon at Fromborg Cathedral, where he conducted the majority of his astronomical research. Now, esteemed as the astronomer who revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos, Copernicus propounded the revolutionary theory that the Sun, not our Earth, is at the center of our universe. As we delve deeper into this narrative, let's bring this theory to life with an animation. Picture, if you will, the glowing radiant sun at the center, with the planets, including our own Earth, in a celestial dance around it. This is the heliocentric model, the revolutionary idea that forever changed our perception of the cosmos. March 14th, an extraordinary day remembered for the birth of Albert Einstein in 1879. Born in Ulm, Germany, Einstein was an inquisitive child. He received his early education there, later moving to Switzerland for his secondary education and university studies. He graduated from the Zurich Polytechnic in 1900 and began his career as a patent examiner. His genius was not confined to his office, as he formulated some of his most remarkable theories during this time. Among his significant contributions, the theory of relativity and the renowned equation E=mc2 stand out, leaving an indelible mark on the world of science. At this moment, a vibrant animation comes to life, illustrating the theory of relativity and the equation E=mc2 with dynamic visuals that make these complex concepts accessible. Today, we pay homage to this extraordinary mind, Albert Einstein, whose life and work continue to inspire scientists and thinkers worldwide. On the 6th of April, not only do we have April showers signaling the impending bloom of Mayflowers, but we pause to honor the birth of a notable figure in scientific history, James Watson. Born in 1928 in Chicago, Illinois, Watson was an academically gifted child who entered the University of Chicago at age 15. His insatiable curiosity steered him towards zoology and genetics. This path led him to Cambridge, where he met Francis Crick. This momentous meeting would alter the landscape of biology forever. Together, Watson and Crick embarked on a quest to uncover the structure of DNA. Their relentless pursuit and collaborative efforts led to the groundbreaking discovery of the double helix structure of DNA, a revelation that would forever change our understanding of life itself. Watson's illustrious career didn't stop there, as he later became the director of the Human Genome Project, further cementing his legacy in the field of genetics. Now, let's bring this discovery to life. Imagine an animation illuminating the scene, perfectly capturing the double helix DNA structure twirling in a captivating dance of life. This is the remarkable structure that Watson and Crick unveiled, the very blueprint of life that continues to guide the realm of biology to this day. Every year, on the 12th of May, we remember the birth of a healthcare game-changer, Florence Nightingale. Born into a wealthy British family in 1820 in Florence, Italy, she was a figure that irreversibly transformed the nursing profession. Showing an early interest in helping others, Nightingale defied societal expectations of her time and pursued her passion for nursing. Educated mainly at home by her father, she received a comprehensive education in subjects such as German, French and Italian, history and philosophy. However, her love for nursing remained unshakable. Despite the disapproval of her family, she pursued nursing and gained her training from the Institution of Protestant Deaconesses in Kaiserswerth, Germany. Nightingale's career was marked by her commitment to sanitary health conditions, demonstrated during her service in the Crimean War. She significantly lowered the death rate by implementing hygiene practices, making her known as the Lady with the Lamp. As we narrate her life story, let's animate her influence on nursing. Picture an old grim hospital scene transforming into a clean, modern healthcare facility, symbolizing Nightingale's revolutionary impact. She emerged as an emblem of selfless service, her flame of devotion forever burning in the hearts of caregivers worldwide. Scene: Alan Turing, June 23rd. We are here to commemorate the birth of the pioneer of modern computing, Alan Turing. Born in London on this day, June 23rd in 1912, Turing was a bright child with a fascination for the world of science. Turing's early life was marked by his exceptional problem-solving abilities and a keen interest in numbers, which later led him to his life's work. Transition to an animated sequence showing a young Alan Turing in school, excelling in mathematics and later at university. Drawn into the world of mathematics at a young age, Turing pursued his education at King's College, University of Cambridge. There, he conceived the idea of a universal machine that could compute anything that is computable, laying the groundwork for the modern computer. Transition to an animated sequence showing the concept of a universal machine evolving into a modern computer. The culmination of Turing's career was during World War II. Working at Bletchley Park, he led a team of codebreakers to decrypt the coded messages of the German Enigma machine. His invaluable contribution in deciphering these coded messages played a crucial role in the outcome of the war. Transition to an animated sequence showing the process of code cracking during World War II, highlighting Turing's pivotal role. Alan Turing's contributions to the world of computing and code breaking are celebrated worldwide, marking him as one of the most influential figures in modern history. Today, we honor the legacy of this extraordinary individual. As we find ourselves at the height of summer, we celebrate the birth of Rosalind Franklin on July 25th. An emblem of scientific innovation, Franklin was born in 1920 in London. From an early age, she showed an interest in the sciences, leading her to study chemistry at Cambridge University. Her career was marked by significant strides in molecular research as she worked in renowned research institutions, including King's College London. Franklin's landmark research played a crucial role in unlocking the mysteries of life's building blocks. Her expertise allowed her to map out the structural intricacies of DNA, RNA, viruses, coal, and graphite. As we delve into her story, get ready to see these molecular structures come to life with our dynamic animations. Watch as the DNA and RNA strands twist and turn, the viruses take form, and the coal and graphite structures materialize, echoing Franklin's groundbreaking discoveries. Through her life, we are reminded of the relentless pursuit of knowledge and the profound impact it can have on the world. On August 26th, we celebrate the birth of a scientific luminary, Antoine Lavoisier. Born in Paris in 1743 to a wealthy family, Lavoisier's inherent curiosity was nurtured from a young age, paving the way for his future endeavors. He attended the prestigious Collège des Quatre Nations, where his fascination for the natural sciences was cultivated. After graduation, he pursued a career in law in accordance with his family's wishes, but his heart was firmly rooted in the realm of science. As a result, his passion for chemistry led him to establish a private laboratory where he made most of his significant discoveries. Now, let's dive into an animated journey through his major contributions to chemistry. Watch as Lavoisier's work unfolds, leading to the naming of two elemental giants, oxygen and hydrogen. These discoveries mark the beginning of modern chemistry, a field Lavoisier is largely credited with founding. Through this animation, we hope to give you a glance at the genius of Antoine Lavoisier, the father of modern chemistry. As September ushers in the 14th day, we celebrate the birth anniversary of the iconic figure, Ivan Pavlov. Born in Ryazan, Russia in 1849, Pavlov was the eldest of 11 children. The son of a priest, he first embarked on his intellectual journey in a religious seminary, but his thirst for knowledge led him to the University of St. Petersburg, where he delved into the natural sciences. Here, our animated depiction shows young Pavlov progressing from a curious student to a renowned physiologist. Alongside his studies, Pavlov began to gain recognition for his groundbreaking research in the field of digestive physiology, earning him a Nobel Prize in 1904. We then transition to his illustrious career, characterized by his most famous experiments involving dogs. As our animation illustrates, Pavlov studied the reflex actions of dogs, conditioned them to respond to specific stimuli, and thus laid the foundation for the influential concept of classical conditioning. His work has forever imprinted his name onto the pages of psychological history. On the 7th of October, we honor the birth of Niels Bohr, born in the year 1885. Before his monumental contributions to science, Bohr was a curious child from Copenhagen, Denmark. His thirst for knowledge was evident even in his early years as he entered the University of Copenhagen to study physics at a young age. His academic prowess paved the way for his future career as a physicist and his subsequent work at the Copenhagen Institute for Theoretical Physics. Under the guidance of J.J. Thomson, Bohr developed his revolutionary model of the atom. As we animate a miniature solar system on the screen, you'll see electrons revolving around the nucleus, just as Bohr envisioned. His model significantly advanced our understanding of atomic structure and set the stage for modern physics. Bohr didn't stop there. He delved into the perplexing world of quantum mechanics, where he formulated the Bohr's complementarity principle. Imagine an animation unveiling the mysterious realm of subatomic particles, behaving both as particles and waves under different circumstances. This is the essence of quantum mechanics that Bohr helped to unravel. For these groundbreaking works, Bohr was recognized with a Nobel Prize. Today, his contributions to science continue to impact us, revolutionizing our understanding of the world at its most fundamental level. As we embark on the journey to unravel the life of Marie Curie, we turn the pages back to November. The 7th day of the month, in the year 1867, marks the commencement of the extraordinary tale of this remarkable woman. Born Maria Salomea Sklodowska in Warsaw, Poland, Curie was the youngest of 5 children. Despite her family suffering financial hardships, she worked tirelessly, ending up as a top student in her secondary school. The narrative then takes a leap towards Paris, where she moved for her higher education, enrolling in the esteemed Sorbonne University. There, she emerged as the first woman to earn a degree in physics, and later a second degree in mathematics. Her thirst for knowledge was insatiable, a trait that would significantly shape her future. Transitioning into her illustrious career, Curie, along with her husband Pierre Curie, delved deep into the world of radioactivity. Their extensive research led to the discovery of polonium and radium. As we bring this to life through animations, witness the glowing beakers and test tubes, representative of Curie's work on radioactivity. A pioneer in her field, Curie broke barriers, becoming the first woman ever to be bestowed with a Nobel Prize. To illustrate the gravity of this achievement, imagine a scale, one side weighed down by the Nobel Prize in physics, the other by the Nobel Prize in chemistry. Marie Curie is the unmatched champion who balanced this scale, the only laureate to garner the prestigious award in two different scientific domains. Through her life journey and unparalleled accomplishments, she has indeed left an indelible mark in the annals of science history. On the 25th day of December in the year 1642, a significant life began. This was the day when Sir Isaac Newton was born. Raised in a farming family, he was expected to carry on the tradition. However, Newton was more interested in reading, and his mother noticed this knack. Eventually, she decided to send him to the King's School in Grantham, where he became a top-ranked student. The animation we're about to see represents Newton's journey from his humble beginnings to his time at the University of Cambridge. There, his curiosity about the natural world bloomed into a profound understanding of the physical world. He made seminal contributions to mathematics, optics, and physics. The most influential among these were his laws of motion and universal gravitation. Let's watch an animation that beautifully illustrates these laws. Watch how an apple falling from a tree under the influence of gravity led Newton to formulate these groundbreaking laws. These laws have become the bedrock of classical physics, fundamentally shaping our understanding of how objects move and interact. These monumental contributions eternally etched Newton's name in the annals of history. So there you have it, a year filled with the birthdays of brilliant minds who have shaped our understanding of the world and the universe. From Stephen Hawking's black holes, unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos, to Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, changing our perception of time and space. We have James Watson's discovery of the DNA, laying the foundation for modern genetics, to Marie Curie's research radium, paving the path for cancer treatments and nuclear physics. From Alan Turing's computers, which spearheaded the digital age, to Sir Isaac Newton's laws of motion, forming the groundwork for classical physics, these scientists have left a legacy that continues to inspire and amaze us. Their contributions have revolutionized the way we live and perceive our world, each in their unique way. Now, as we animate the celebration of science, visualize a calendar with each day marked by the revealing of a new scientific breakthrough, denoting the incredible minds behind them all. So remember, every day is a chance to celebrate science and the incredible minds who have made it what it is today.